Hello guys, welcome to day 16 of our English speaking journey. And yes, we have completed our day 15 and yes, this is the day 16. If you are a beginner like me and if you want to talk in English and if you want to become fluent and also confident, then yes, this channel is for you. So be with me regularly so that we can improve our English. Okay. So as you know that this is the 30 days challenge. So today's our topic is that how to think in English, because many people said that just think in English, try to think in English, train our brain so that they try to think in English. But no one said that how to think in English. So I will tell you that how to think in English. So there are some steps to think in English. First, that is most of people what they do first they try to think in their mother language. If their mother language is Marathi, if their mother language is Hindi, then they try to think in that language first. Okay, but we don't want to do, means we have to not do like that. First, if you saw anything, just try to directly think in English, because I used to do same that if I saw anything, then I directly translate. I tried to translate it. Yes, I used to do same. That's why if we try to directly think in that is our mother tongue, then mother tongue, after that we will try to convert it in English, then it creates fear, nervous, and we feel become less confident. So don't do that. Directly think in English, no matter it's grammar perfection or what, no matter, just directly try to think in English. Okay, so that is the our first step. Then second step is start with small things. Okay, if you saw anything around you with small thing, just try to talk in English. That is, this is car, this is bike, this is table, this is chair, like that. Your daily routine things, try to talk in English directly, don't translate it. Because if we try to translate it, means first we will think in our mother tongue, and after that we will try to think in English, then we feel stuck that what to use, means to our mind get confused that to think in English or we have to think about grammar. Is this grammar is correct or not? I tell you that because I am doing same. I used to do same at my starting days. That's why I'm telling you, don't try to think in English or don't focus on grammar, just try to talk in English. Said that is small thing, that is I am tired, I feel nervous. Your emotions and your feelings, try to directly think in English. Okay, and start with small things. Okay, means if you at starting, if you woke up, after that try to talk with yourself, small things. That is first small things, that is after waking up, I'm go to the uh, washroom to freshen up. I'm waking up, means I have just completed my work. Don't focus on grammar, it just come automatically. So just directly translate it, don't translate it, sorry. Next step is that is self talk. Yes, self talk is very much important if you want to talk and if you want to become fluent in English. Self talk, how we can do self talk? After getting up, just try to talk with yourself, because self talk is work more. Because if we go going anywhere and if we try to talk in English in front of anyone and that people is so much talented in English, then we feel nervous, hesitate. Yes, so if we talk with ourselves with self talk, that is what we can say, then there is no one person in front of us who will judge us, who will laugh on us. So it works. After getting up, directly I said that I am brushing my teeth now. I am going to hotel now. I am going to take my dinner now. Like that small thing you can try. Okay. So that is our next step, and our next step that is thinking situation. Think on situation. In like now I am doing my work. Now I am recording my video, and yes, this is the 16th day. Now I am sitting here and talk with you like that. Firstly, try to think in English. Means if you try to think in English, directly think in English. Don't think in mother tongue. Say you that regularly, that consistency, but that is also important to train your brain to directly think in English. Because I used to do same that to focus on grammar or to focus on speaking. So because of that we feel nervous and we feel less confident. So don't focus on directly, don't convert it in your mother tongue. Okay, if you do these small steps regularly, then yes, one day you will become fluent in English. Because in my early days I used to do same thing, that to how to focus, I'm very much confused that. So focus on grammar or I have to focus on just speaking in English. So so now I have stopped that to think in mother tongue. Because and to think in means to focus on grammar. Because if I'm going to focus on grammar, then I feel stuck that to focus on to think in English or to directly focus on grammar. So you saw my previous video and this video also that I never focus on grammar. Because as we know that this is the starting day, and if we talk in our starting day, and then yes, there is some mistakes and we have to learn from that mistake, and mistake is a part of learning. So I'm not feel nervous and I'm not feel hesitate to talk in front of you, and to show you whatever I have done mistake. Yes, I will show you all the mistake what I have done. And yes, I know there is so much grammar mistake and so much mistake is there. Then also I am uploading video. Because yes, I have that power, means I have that consistency, I have that regularity, that yes, it's a mistake will happen, mistake will all do, but we have to grow from that mistake. And do mistake, don't afraid of anything. People will judge you, then let them judge you. Okay, just you have to focus on yourself, and you are starting this journey for yourself. So take regularly one topic, as I said, daily to you, and start speaking on that. Okay, so that is the how to think in English. Do daily that. Means talk with yourself daily. Self talk is most important. If you woke up, I try to speak it in English, that I am brushing my teeth now, I have completed my work just now. And after you completed your whole day, at last while sleeping, ask to yourself that what did I do today, what am I doing today, what have I have done today, like that. Like that questions ask to yourself. Okay, if you do these small things regularly, then yes, miracle will happen, and one day you will automatically uh, try to think in English, and automatically you will think in English. And one day come that you become fluent in English and you don't know. Because daily regularly as we speak, then inner growth is happen. So just try to think in English, do regularly practice. So we will come tomorrow. So please like, share and comment. Okay, so thank you.